What is up, everybody? And like from the beginning, because I'm gonna take only like 3 minutes of your time, but explain what is going to happen to cryptocurrency, gold and dollar. So we are expecting Powell lowering interest rate. What is this for US economy? Dollar will plunge. Of course, it must go lower since interest rates lower, dollar is weak. That means indices like NQ and S&P will go to the moon because it's easier to make this bubble thing working. By bubble, I mean the US economy. So those guys will continue to take the loans because it'll be cheaper. That means businesses are going to be feeling really better in compared with what was happening last 5 years. And for the funds of RSI, guys, I want to show you something special. Look at the gold. Guys, look at this. This is ultimately healthy price increase. Look, so momentum is getting higher, everything is fine, money flow is coming in, so money are actually going into gold. And here people are still shorting. That's why they're always getting squeezed. What about Bitcoin? Bitcoin is ultimately not healthy. So it's a smoker's asset. Look at that, guys. We have strong divergence. So we had one high, then we had higher high, then we had another high. Everything is fantastic, bullish signal. But the thing is, the buying pressure on the market is strong only here. Then it went lower, but price went higher. And then it went even lower, but price went again higher because shorts were getting closed. Those guys who were shorting from here, they got squeezed to the top. And you can see the divergence here. Look, money are going out. Here we have divergence of the momentum. It's like all these waves are in a healthy way. It should be, this one should be smaller, this one should be higher. So everything was fine before that. You can see it's higher, and it's going up. But the thing is now everything is lower here, but higher the price. That means divergence. This is the example before. Look at that divergence. Money are going out, RSI is going out, but the price is making higher high. What we got? Some bear market. What about next one? Look, money pressure, like selling pressure was really hardcore. You can see it right here. Money were going out. Everything is looking fantastic for the bear market. And look, money went out, price went lower, and the momentum, the selling pressure was at the top. Like, I mean, it's the strongest selling pressure. And then selling pressure got weaker, but it made lower low. That means usually like a reversal, 2 or 3 waves, and it's a reversal. This is weekly time frame. This is not a bullshit. So here, what I would expect to buy something from here. If prices dip from here to this box, like 16%, you remember the rule, multiply by 3. If you're multiplying by 3, that means altcoins should dip 40-45%. I'm talking about some Pango, some meme coins, some bullshit coins. Those will dip like that. Those that are considered normal, like Stellar Lumens, Ripple, Ondo, those will dip probably double the percentage. So it's like 30%, about that, maybe 25. And the proper level to buy something for Solana, I would not jump right here, but I would wait for this box, because here, first of all, you have less chances that it'll just jump from there, reflect, so it's like 10%. But from here, look at the percentage, the possible retracement, and maybe the new all-time high or something. 30% is better with a higher chance than a lower chance, and 10%. That's my logic. Same thing with Ethereum. Some guy on Twitter asked, on X of course, asked me, I hope Elon Musk is watching that and will comment that or repost it, like how this guy is ignoring. So we are seeing this exactly the same thing. Lower lows, money are going out now since August 22nd. And price, is going there. Some guys want to buy here, but I want to buy from here. This is the only way where I want to buy Ethereum, because I'm not interested in those, if you drop here and retrace, so it's less than 10% for the next move, like down, but from here it's possible to retest here almost like 40-50%. That would make total sense. So what we are seeing, Powell is going to cut the rates. Probably he will do that. And you know they're saying, buy the rumors, sell the news. So right now markets are hyping up before the next leg up, but we need to think about proper movements, because money needs to flow into cryptocurrency, not flow out of that, and price should be going up. Because the higher we go with unhealthy movements, the lower we will dip. And right now, while I'm saying that, you can see order flow. Guys who are longing that, now they're screwed. All these guys who longed here and added here, they are getting squeezed from here. I hope, personally, that this price will go to take liquidity from here, and basically after that we can dip lower finally to 103 then we can retrace somewhere, then we'll dump finally to 93k. And I hope everything will happen before interest rate cuts. I hope guys you enjoyed this analytics, and if you're not sure how to execute, this is my free copy trading. You can see it in the comment section below. This is the way I'm making money for my followers. People are following with their money, I'm executing for myself, and they're being absolutely 100% automatically copied. So I have 106.0. Right now my trades are getting filled, which is great. Of course, we're buying red. And that's my, basically, you can see my portfolio. People are subscribing here. You can go here and you can just see how I'm executing everything. I just started recently, as you can see. This is my stats, 138.0, and this is how much people are making. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and see you soon. Bye bye.